A few weeks ago, I got invited to speak to a group of students and faculty for a junior college up north here in California. And the purpose of the meeting was for me to talk about my story, about how I got involved with design, what I've learned, and what I want to share about my story. Right? So I was super excited to speak on this virtual call because I would get to connect with black and brown individuals, which is something that doesn't happen often, right? It's a rare occurrence. So when it happens, it's an opportunity where my spirit comes alive. I get so happy to do things like that. When the call happened, we were vibing back and forth, and it reminded me that all the struggles, all the pain was a testimony that I could share with these people to inspire them. 20 minutes into the call, a group of 8 or 9 individuals joined the call, didn't have their cameras turned on, and they started saying derogatory things. Immediately, the organizer dropped the call, and when she started it back up, she didn't let those people back in who were saying all these silly things, but the individuals who were there felt very uncomfortable. I was like, I could either get angry at just what happened, or I can show empathy to the people who decided to show back up. And so I asked everyone who was there, how are they feeling? And obviously they all felt very uncomfortable, especially looking at me as somebody who was the speaker. And I decided to turn it into a teachable moment. I had family who didn't believe in my dreams, didn't believe that I could get to where I wanted to go. They were like, why are you pursuing a communications degree? Why do you want to work in entertainment? Why do you want to work in technology? Doesn't make sense. There's only 1% of people who are there. And I had friends who said that I was changing up, which I totally was. Who I was not going to be beneficial to where I wanted to go, right? I had to really transform myself emotionally and develop an emotional dexterity toward life, which I'm still in the progress of developing today, right? But the purpose of me making this video is to just remind you that there are going to be family members, there are going to be friends, there are going to be random individuals who you don't know who try to deter you and get you off track from where you're trying to go. And what I find is that a lot of times these people are dealing with pain. When somebody, when those folks who joined the call said all these derogatory things, it just reminded me of the fact that we are all human. We all go through pain, and everybody processes that pain very differently. And a lot of times we take out that pain on individuals who are around us, right? Or individuals that we don't even know. So, just understand that if somebody is hating on you, they are just going through some kind of pain that you probably are not aware of. And you can use that haterade as a seed that gets planted in your mind, and it just becomes a voice, right? Or you can use it as fuel for your own dreams and your own desires to get to where you want to go. And all those individuals who said what they said in the past to me, it did hurt, and I'm still processing that pain on a daily basis. And I make time to cry, I make time to process those things. But I also understand that, pain is something that we take out on other people. So just wanted to make this video to remind you, if you have an individual in your life who is a friend, who is a family member, who is somebody that you're in a partnership with, and they don't understand where you're trying to go, they're just hating on your passions and your desires to be a creative individual, just understand you got to keep that space, right? And know that you do not need to inherit that pain, right? So yeah, guys, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it changed your mind a little bit, you already know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.